So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on a JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic Economic Policies and Development Strategies. So in this video, we'll consider structural adjustment programs. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and check out the question we have here. It says, the structural adjustment program was introduced by the A. Murtala Obasanjo regime, B. Abacha regime, C. Buhari regime, D. Babangida regime. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's Babangida regime. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.